Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter P. P is the 16th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter P in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase P. Start with the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and go around to the middle. Now you try. Here is a letter P in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase p. Start with the middle and make a line down below the bottom. Then go back to the middle and go around to the bottom. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter P? P is for pagoda. P is for paint. P is for pant. P is for panda. P is for pant. P is for papaya. P is for paper. P is for parachute. P is for park. P is for parrot. P is for passion fruit. P is for pea. P is for peacock. P is for peanuts. P is for pear. P is for pen. P is for pencil. P is for penguin. P is for perfume. P is for phone. P is for piano. P is for picture. P is for pig. P is for pajama. P is for pillow. P is for pilot. P is for pineapple. P is for pizza. P is for plant. P is for plate. P is for plum. P is for pomegranate. P is for popcorn. P is for pot. P is for potato. P is for present. P is for printer. P is for pudding. P is for pumpkin. P is for purse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.